Beshyyywap! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then I'm Maris. Are you right? Because I'm left. The part today. Loko-loko yung ate ko na 3 trips sa ngayon. Ayan. Today is our last day in Canterbury. So yes, you already been to church. Obviously, Sunday is fun day. We need to go to church first before anything else to be blessed, and you know what I mean, like this. So ayun na nga, at kami nakakain na rin ng breakfast sa McDonald's. Ayan, pag nasa holiday kayo talaga ang fast food is one of the kainan ng mga turista, kasi otherwise there's no choice. No choice, kaya doon na kami kumain. So ayun na nga mga Beshyyywap. Kami is going to the beach now. So I think we're gonna take the bus to go there. Yeah, to get in there. Because we don't have any car here. So yes, we're going to travel. Isasama ko kayo sa aming gala for today. So today's our last day here. So let's make the most of it. So let's see what will happen later. Bye! I'm gonna take one of those to go to our destination. Ayan o, ang galing ng rito, mga tao, nakapila. Hindi guys sa London na una-unahan. Ayan o, Margate, that is it. Finally, after 30 minutes of riding on the bus, can you see that? Beshyyywap, Beshyyywap. Ayan. So walking lang tayo to have some fresh air. Ayan. Napakainit. Nugnog na naman ako. Hirap maglakad, Beshyyywap, sa mga pebbles. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ang ganda. Napakainit. Maya-maya kulay uling na ako. Ayan na nga, Beshyyywap. We're here in the seaside. Ayan. Ang lamig ng tubig. Kaya picture sila. Oh my God. Ang lamig. Ang sarap mag-swimming kasi ang init. Pero hindi kami mag-swimming. Wala kaming towel na dala. So ayan. Bisita lang kami dito at enjoy the nice view that we can see in here. So ayan, ang dami nag-swimming actually mga Beshyyywap, kasi nga ang init. So refreshing pag nag-swimming. So ayan, magpipicture muna kami dito at magre-relax. Mga Beshyyywap, kami ay tapos nang maglawlaw sa beach. Ayan. True lala. Ayan, napakainit rito.
Hindi ayaw namin umitin kung hindi.
Sunog na.
Sunog ang aming kabalatan.
Ayan, magkaka-sunburn tayo. Ayan si Mayora. Ayan si Mother at si Ate Sin. Ayan, tapos may dingdong kami. Ayan, may mga pagkain kami. Siyempre, picnic. Ayan.
Kulang tayo ng drinks lang.
Ay, wala kami
Malapit
drinks.
lang naman ang taon.
Ayan, bibili kami doon at kakain kami ng fish and chips later maybe. So ayan, kami magre-relax muna and then heading home. See ya! Yeah, we're back to normal na tomorrow. Back to work sila. Ako ay off.
Off ako, sorry.
Ay off pala si Mayora. So ayan, chill lang kami muna here.
Masarap ang
Bye beach. We're heading home. Actually, restaurant. We're finding a restaurant to eat at. Ice cream there. Ayan, nag-enjoy ang mga tao kasi ang init. Ayan. Yan ang view natin. Yun.
Nam nam nam.
ayan, naglalakad na ulit kami. Papunta ng hotel para pick upin yung mga aming kagamitan. Galing kami sa beach. Ayan, napakainit yan. Nakikita nyo naman, napakakintab ko na. Then yung aking kakulayan. Ang kintab-kintab ko na. Oh my goodness. Shiny shimmery ang aking kaitiman. So ayun na nga, at kami ay pauwi na at pagod na much. Nakaraos ang aming 3 days staying here in Canterbury.
It's
Ayan.
really fun.
We really enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it, Mom?
Yes.
Yes, of course, definitely. We will be back here in 10 years time maybe. Joke.
May anak ka na.
Only joke. Joking. So ayan. On our way home. I'm so tired. At ang init, nakakasakit sa ulo. Sinasapak ako ng init eh. Charot. So ayun na nga. See you later! Si Mondragon, nagbabalik. Mukhang dragon. Finally, we're on our way home. We're on the train. Going to London.
Back to
Ayan.
normal na kayo mga Inday.
Yes, back to work na siya bukas.
Yes.
Ako 2 weeks holiday. Yahoo!
Mga mais.
Kailan ka mag-start, Maris?
September. Beshyyywap, finally nakauwi na kami sa wakas ng panahon. Oh my gulay. Ayun, pagod ang pagoda, but worth it naman yung pagod kasi enjoy much naman kami in Canterbury for 3 days. So it was a nice experience and nice adventure we experienced in there. Yes. Anyway, mga Beshi, thank you sa pagsama sa amin during our trip. And huwag sana kayo magsasawa, and don't forget to subscribe and put the notification button beside it, and like mo na rin yan, and comment down below kung meron kang any suggestions or challenges na gusto mong gawin ko. So I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye, Beshyyywap!